Nag-record ka. No.
Wala sila ka magikapoy, ka-perfect. So guys, ang kauban kagikapoy na. We need to walk about 200 steps from here. Siya gikapoy gihapon. So, are you okay? No? No? You okay? Adventure, right? Right? Adventure. What's up mga? What should I say? What's up guys? For today's video is all about photoshoot, like photoshoot. I'm here with my assistant in the back, which is holding my camera. Can you please introduce yourself? Say hi.
Guys,
Yeah, she's nobody. But today guys, I have a baby with me. Baby one. Wait, baby one, where are you? Baby one! See guys, I got a lens. I use this lens usually when I have a photo shoot. This lens, Tamron. Next baby is this baby. Look! It's a Nikon, like, yeah. You know guys, these are my equipments and I usually use this because this is all I have. I need to be more creative with this because today we're going to have a photo shoot. Nature photo shoot. Let's go.
no.
Are you ready?
No, not
No,
yet.
no, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Hey guys, so ingabot na gid me. I'm walking backwards, so now kauban karon ang ako mga model. See? Say hi guys.
Hi!
Hi. Okay pa ang tanan?
Init pa kayo.
Thumbs
Dili
up.
na. Gamay na lang.
Ina. Upay ka kasugod. Lo, kung sa kalayo ang magyon guys. Sige, laban lang. Jogging. Jogging.
Kung na siya, gianan pa daw ka to sa
Sa where?
tinuod nga lugar bitaw.
Tinuod nga lugar. Asa mo nga lugar dito? Tinuod ay.
What ito? Secret Paradise.
Secret Paradise. Lano ka perfect ba? So guys, for quality pictures, we need to go far, far away. See, it's very hot. We need to have a, what you call this, perfect view or perfect spot for our photo shoot. So we need to walk. Like, yeah, walk.
Secret Paradise. Nag-record ka. No.
Wala sila ka magikapoy, ka-perfect.
Secret Paradise.
So guys, ang kauban kagikapoy na. We need to walk about 200 steps from here. Siya gikapoy gihapon. So, are you okay? No? No? You okay? Adventure, right? Right? Adventure. Let's go. Kaya ang tanan. Okay, sa tayo. Sige. Hawa.
Aircon.
Haircut. Ano na?
No.
So guys, we're far, far away na. And my partner is tired already. Look. I don't know. What to say? I don't know. Huh? Kaya pa? Inat. Let's go.
Secret Paradise.
So guys, we're finally here at sa pangalan dahil? In the mountain, for short. Kasi we walk too far upside up. Kaya pasaka man siya, diba? So guys, karon dili kompleto ang photo shoot if walay makeup. See? Makeup. Di daw kompleto ang photo shoot without makeup. So, about an hour ba? Di ba 1 hour pa siya sa mga mag-makeup tanan? So, stay tuned lang guys. Don't go away. Magbabalik pa po ang unang hear it. Joke lang.
No.
Ready na guys? Ready? Ready.
Pag-ilis, pag
Mag-vlog daw ka. Take over. Take over. Go.
So, hey guys.
Oh, wala ha.
Oh.
Wala ha. Sige,
So,
pag-vlog.
it's me.
Who are you?
I'm Myra.
Maria, who? No, I don't know. Sige, diretso na. Oh na. Anong pinagagawa mo ha?
Hi, Ina.
Yes, hello.
Hi.
Wala ka maigawa.
Pangkat lang.
Sige, go. Ano man na? Asa na
Asa day ang nauna ko ani?
Naay mong naong. Hanap pag-unit ba?
Ano da? Otro.
Oh.
Balik ka?
Kana, okay na. Pagay ka na. Ubos, ganito lagi.
Sorry ha. Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Ma'am si Ina.
Yes.
Hi! Kumusta?
Hi.
Kapoy?
Kapoy kayo. Kiwag speak ina magtubig ay. Pugngan ang pantog. Pugngan. Inig, busy na to sa picture. Sa picture sa book. Ito bang ganun? Nagkurog akong kamot. Kisikol ko.
Rated
Pero dili
SPG.
kol ko ga. Kuan ha. Lamog na sa mga inyo. Kana bang? Manlabata ba niya? Ikan ba sa gahago? Unya, ito sa tubig. So, muna siya makurog. Kaya mo na ang mga kol ko, right?
Hi.
Dayna?
Hi, Ma'am. Ila.
I'm Marzel. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Shy na may tayo.
Ako nangotan na number ako. Hey guys, so
So what?
pauli na mi.
We're officially done, guys.
Bakta sila.
Tapos na mi.
Pauli na mi kay.
We're officially done. Photoshoot 101, basic photography.
Pwede ako mag-photograph.
Ako din model. Yeah, pwede siya model. Buha kayo, we need to go home. It's time to go home kasi gutom na. We're hungry. We're thirsty.
Always man siguro.
Ikaw, mang good.
Uy. Hi na.
Yes, sige na. Kaya nagkuhan tayo nagkuhan. Video recording.
So this is Ina.
Di na ho.
Kani siya nakakahoy. Muna siya, ang purpose ani is ma-minimize bito ang mga voice sa mga bad spirit. Muna siya ang purpose. Ang among mga model is ay pagkapoy to sila kay tungod sa ilahang mga different emotions, thoughts, and blah blah blah.
Mao ba, ma'am?
Yes. I'm a psychology of modeling.
So, kung mag-photoshoot, ma'am, unsa man joy ka ng unsa may kinahanglan andamon.
Mag-andam sila mga make-up over. Kaya ng tubig, number 1 mo na siya kay man ihumol ang katong mga inaana sa naong. Ugwaan na niya. Sus, dili complete ang modeling.
So, it's a being photographer / model / makeup artist. Hi!
Azap, mga kaibigan.
So, pauli na mi. Asa tagikan?
It's a bit hard when we have a photo shoot like this because we walk about 1 kilometer or more than kilometer. So for now we're done photo shoot, so we're gonna go home because I'm hungry and thirsty.
Me too. Me three.
Because you're always hungry.
Where you go?
Kaya ikaw man dyan.
Nah.